Hi everybody, and welcome to the Junk Journal Tutorials and More drawing for the LineDotArrow 4th anniversary at Etsy celebration challenges. Not sure if I got all of that right, but you know what drawing we're at. We're at the 4th anniversary drawing for LineDotArrow's anniversary at Etsy. Congratulations for being on Etsy for 4 years. So we're at Junk Journals, Tutorials, and More. And we're going to go to the random number generator. Let me see where we're at. Here we've got 117 entries. So let's change this to 117. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw for the prizes and then fill them in my Excel file. And then I will tell you how to claim your prizes, okay? So now this is going to be for the 3rd place prize, which is going to be 1 junk journal kit from LineDotArrow. That's going to be number 47. And that's going to be Sandra Dyer. Let's fill that in so I can see it easier. That's going to be 3rd. Congratulations, Sandra. Now remember, even though your name's in a bunch of times, you can only win once per drawing, but you could win more than once in more than one drawing. Does that make sense? There was 4 Facebook groups that are doing drawings this month, and so there are 4 chances, well, actually 12 chances to win for the month. Okay, so let's go for the 2nd place prize, and that's going to be 2 junk journal kits from LineDotArrow. Number 1. Can't get any easier than that. Oh, that's Sandra Dyer. So we're going to have to roll again or generate again. Number 47. I think that's her too. That's the one we just had. What are the odds of that? Okay, let's do it again. 76. That's pretty wild. And that's Elizabeth Scott. Congratulations, Elizabeth. You're going to get 2 junk journal kits from LineDotArrow for 2nd place. And let's do one more for 1st place, and that's going to be 3 junk journal kits from LineDotArrow. And that's going to be number 3. Let's see if that's Sandra. Nope, Wendy Star L.M. Perry. So Wendy, you're gonna win 3 junk journal kits. Cool. From LineDotArrow. Now, to claim your prizes, you must get a hold of me, and you must use the email address sweetpeapapers2020@gmail.com, or get a hold of me on Facebook Messenger. And my name on Facebook Messenger is Terry S. Lee. It has the middle initial. And you have 3 days from today to claim your prize. So that's going to be midnight on the 8th Pacific time. So if you're on Eastern or Central, that gives you till 2 or 3 in the morning actually to claim your prize, but hopefully you'll do it right away. Occasionally we have people that win that don't watch the drawing video, and unfortunately their prize goes unclaimed. Okay, all right, well that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. And that will be tomorrow. I think we're working on our Gothic Circus, which is a really cool project, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So I will see you then, and that'll be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.